Hello and welcome to BCIS 1317, Personal Computer Maintenance and Hardware. Let's explore an exciting journey into the world of computer maintenance and hardware. This course is designed to give you the practical skills and theoretical knowledge you need to understand and maintain personal computers. Let's dive into what you can expect this semester. Our primary course materials include the CompTIA A Plus Guide to Information Technology Technical Support, 11th edition by Andrews, Shelton, and Pierce, and the Test-Out PC Pro courseware. These resources will provide you with comprehensive coverage of the concepts and hands-on skills required in this field. This course covers a variety of topics essential for anyone interested in computer support and maintenance. We'll explore hardware components, peripheral devices, operating systems, and much more. You'll learn how to configure, install, and maintain computer hardware, as well as how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues. Our syllabus outlines several key areas of focus: technology and hardware operation of microcomputers, hardware configuration and selection, installation and test procedures, maintenance of computer systems. This course will help prepare you for entry-level IT roles like Computer Support Specialist and Help Desk Technician, with median annual salaries around $59,000 to $71,000. These roles offer job security and are stepping stones to advanced positions such as Network Administrator, Systems Analyst, and IT Manager. Long-term, you could advance to specialized roles like Cybersecurity Specialist or Cloud Solutions Architect, leading to higher salaries and greater career satisfaction. Assessment in this course is multifaceted. Participation, assignments, quizzes, practice exams, and a final exam will all contribute to your final grade. We'll also have a semester project that will give you a hands-on opportunity to apply what you've learned in a real-world context. Your grade will be determined by participation, syllabus quiz, pre-test, Office 365 assignment, and more. Assignments, completed through the Test-Out platform. Quizzes, covering each chapter from the textbook. Practice exams, preparing you for industry certifications. Final exam, the Test-Out PC Pro certification exam. Extra credit, opportunities such as the university course evaluation, LinkedIn profile update, and advice for future learners. So, look forward to an exciting semester. Remember, we're here to help you succeed, so don't hesitate to reach out during office hours or via email. Let's make this a fantastic learning experience. See you online.